Now, when you're finished with an exploit, you can pick another one directly by using the use command like this, or you can use the back and then utilize the new one by the use command. That's pretty much how I work. Then show the exploit options. Now for this exploit, I will define a payload by setting the payload variable, set payload Java, Meterpreter reverse TCP. So I don't set the rhost variable, but in the previous video, I defined it as a global variable. And also there are some new variables under this payload section, lhost and lport, because I chose a reverse TCP connection, which means that after a successful exploitation, the target will connect back to me. So lhost in this context is the IP address of Kali, and lport is the port that is ready to connect to Kali. Its default value is 4444, and I don't want to change that. I will only set the lhost to 10.10.2.11, then set HTTP password to Tomcat, set HTTP username to Tomcat. Now, it isn't necessary, but I can set the target to 0. I forgot the R port. So let's set the R port to 8180. Okay, so let me check it one more time. Okay, yeah, everything looks good. Now, exploit. See, it doesn't take too much time. And I have the Meterpreter session on Metasploitable 2. But this time, let's have a look at the user Tomcat55. It is not the root user. So this means actually you don't have a high privileged shell. So I'm going to send this session to the background by using the Meterpreter bg command. So this is my sessions list in the background. Okay, so I want to show you a couple more commands. Push M and pop M. Push M will push the current module to stack. Now I will push this exploit to stack. Then I can pick another one, RMI registry exploit, and I'll run it and I get another session. So as you can see here, I am working with RMI registry exploit. With the pop M, I'll pop the last module from the stack, and it's the Tomcat Manager exploit as you see here on your screen. So I'll advise you to do this because when you're doing some really quick exploitation, those last two commands come in super handy.